Hi, welcome to LR Virtual Classroom. As the rise of online self-learning and virtual meeting has increased in recent time, it is important to take notes while listening effectively. Let's check out the most powerful productivity tool. In this video, we're going to see and learn about OneNote, how you can install OneNote, the overview of features and functionality of OneNote. OneNote is just like your notebook. Imagine you have a book in your hand which has chapters and pages. In OneNote, you can categorize the information in various hierarchy levels like notebook, section groups, section, pages, and subpages. It not only helps you to capture information on the go, but also helps you to be more organized. It is integrated with mail applications like Outlook. It will be easy to share information. It is synced with SharePoint so your project team can have instant access to your notes in your laptop. It helps you to track the notes that you take using your mobile or laptop. As the OneNote is synced to OneDrive, you have all your information in one place, which you can access anywhere, anytime. You can have your update in real time. Where can you find OneNote? OneNote is available in part of two applications, one as part of your Windows 10 package, the other as part of your Microsoft Office, where you have your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and other applications. Here is a link to download the OneNote. Let's have a quick look how the OneNote user interface looks like. I have both the applications in my laptop. Let's check one by one. This is a OneNote that comes as part of your Microsoft Office. I personally like this interface. I am used to it and I feel the features are much handily available. Let's just check the other one. OneNote for Windows 10. It has a different user interface, very similar. The concept is very similar. Interface is a little more different. You can try both it out. It also has various menus and options, and it has certain features like immersive reader which is not available in the other version, and vice versa. You can try both the versions and whichever is comfortable you can start using it. I have listed down the more than 30 plus features of OneNote. There are many features like the way you organize your information. You take information in your OneNote from various sources like documents, PDF, PowerPoints, or easy clippings from web source. You can have your voice record or video record. You can have your meeting details from OneLook. You can even handwritten your notes in OneNote. You can link the notes, sections and pages, and much more cool features which will enable you to increase the productivity and the way you share the information with your team. There are a lot more in OneNote than you can ever think of. So start using OneNote right away.